What's the biggest boat we can pick up with us here?
About a 38 outrage.
Hey Ish, what have we got going on, bud?
Just got done doing the annual services and wrapping up like a full boat ride.
All right.
Yeah.
So annual service, what's that entail? In a nutshell, I mean, not everything.
On the V8, V6, we normally do plugs, oils, filters, just a little small maintenance, wear and tear items.
So then after you do all that, then we put it in the water, run it.
Run it out, have a little fun, try to get her up to temp, make sure all the bells and whistles are working.
Feel sorry for you having to run this.
Yeah, it hurts. It's cold outside.
It's cold outside. We're wearing long sleeves, I told you. All right, onward. Angelo, you got a sec?
Yeah.
Hop on down here, buddy. Good, man. This is a big old truck.
Yeah.
What's the biggest boat we can pick up with us here?
About a 38 outrage.
Weight-wise?
Weight-wise, about 20 to 23,000 pounds.
All right, so let's say 23,000 pounds, 38. So then once we get bigger than that, that's when we're gonna default back over to the travel lift
Yes, sir.
that you run. And we walked through that a little bit ago, but that's where the straps will go down underneath and you go from there.
Yep.
So, and you got two ways of running that too, right?
Two ways. We got manual, you can be on the lift, or we have a remote control. You can strap it up on yourself and be right away and do it by yourself. No problem.
So better visibility and stuff
Yep,
and safer.
Yep. And you don't need a spotter.
So,
yes.
all right, continue on. Thanks, bud.
No problem.
All right, so now you've seen a little bit of the action that's going on outside in the backyard. So here we've got our parts team sitting back here. Say hi, guys. And then if you pan around and look behind you here, so we've got service riders. So these are the men and women that are dealing with you, the client, the customer, whether it's taking care of people that are out on the road, boats that are in here for service that are in-house, and or the rigging team and all that stuff. So everybody's got their own little niche, their own little job. I hope you guys like these videos. Looking forward to seeing y'all out on the water.